Hi, Heather here, and this week's video we have a kit for you from String Art from the Heart video. Now I purchased this kit through Amazon and I will be putting the link down below, and they have several winter holiday collection kits that you can buy, and they have a little instruction sheet to tell you how to do it. Of course, I also did a little research on YouTube about string art because I personally have never done it before, and I'm looking forward to sharing this with you, and I hope you enjoy. Like I said, this kit did come from String Art from the Heart, and this is their winter holiday collection. And as you can see, there is a lot of cool little kits they have for the holiday season, and we're actually doing this one down here, the Joy one with the snowflake. Let's see how easy it is to make this string art. Now here in the kit I got a board, of course, and I went ahead and got me a towel to put underneath it to dampen some of the noise, because I am doing this at nighttime due to the fact that I have two little boys that run around. So I am doing this at night, so I put a towel to hopefully dampen the noise. And the kit also comes with two blue strings and a white string. One for each letter, and then white for the snowflake. And like I said, I'm excited. And then of course I got a whole bag of nails, and then I got this little cutout right here that we're gonna be putting down here, that we gotta cut out. And I also got a instruction sheet, and it basically tells me what I need that doesn't come with the kit, which is hammer, glue, tape, tweezers, sponge, or bristle brush. It's optional. I read online, like, taking this up to get some of the paper off. That's what you use a bristle brush for. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I'm going to go step by step. And it says, first cut out the string art pattern as indicated, center in front of the wooden sign, and tape to secure. So we are going to go ahead and cut this thing out. Now that we have all that, next step is place a nail on one of the black dots on the pattern and hammer it about 1/3 of the way into the wood. It should be firmly in place and should not move with light pressure. Should not move with light pressure. So you get some nails. Another thing this towel do, keep the nails from rolling around so we don't lose any. Okay, and let's hammer. Now that we have our first one in, and it does not move a little bit with pressure, so. Okay, number 3. Continue placing and hammering nails until all the black dots are filled. If you have trouble getting the nails securely into the wood, try placing a folded bath towel underneath the sign. Now that I have a folded bath towel, maybe this will help me get them in. I'm going to try to get even with the other one. Okay, now that we got all these nails in here, and I'm going to tell you right now, I ended up taking it off the towel. I ended up sitting on the floor and hammering them straight up on my bedroom floor, because I'm telling you right now, it dampened the noise a lot better, and because the hard pressure, the nails went in a whole lot better, a whole lot faster, but it did still take a lot of time to do. So now I have all the nails in here, and step 4 is to lightly tap the nails with your hammer to straighten them and adjust their depth as needed. And I kind of did that as I went along, and I did that at the end anyway. Just 5 is next, tear off the paper pattern. If any nails are disturbed in the process, lightly tap them back into place or use a bit of glue to secure them. Small pieces of paper around the nails can be removed with sponge, tweezers, or a bristle brush. Don't worry if you can't get them all. You will hardly notice them once your beautiful art project is finished. Actually, that came off pretty good. Not bad. Not a whole lot of paper came off with it, so yeah, that was not that hard to do. Okay, so let's go to number 6, and it says next grab your blue string, which we got 2 blue strings, and tie a knot around one of the nails on the letter J. So now that we got that done, it says 7, now it's time to create some art. Let your creative juices flow and wrap the string around the nails in the J, however mood strikes you. String freestyle, make patterns, outlines, or borders. No matter how you string, your design will look amazing. It says 8. When you finish stringing the J, tie the string around the nail and cut off the excess. Dab the end of the string near the nail with a bit of glue to keep it from unraveling. Okay. Take this off. Just puts a little bit of glue on that string, so, because I honestly, I have 2 kids, so, and we'll be storing this year after year, because we'll be putting the sign up year after year for the holidays. So I really want to make sure that's secure on there. So I went ahead and dabbed a little bit of glue on every nail and string. Number 9 is repeat with the white string for the snowflakes, then the blue string for the remaining letter. Use the image included in your kit to help you shape this snowflake. Just so you know, they give you a little this so you can remember how the snowflake actually was around that nail to help you understand what nail is going on, because this looks like it could be a jumbled mess. But we got a little template here to show us how all these nails fit into the snowflake so we could shape the snowflake, which I love the fact that they included that, because if I had to go off of pure memory on all that, I would be at a loss and it would probably be one big circle. So hopefully we don't end up with one big circle, but we'll see how I end up doing with that. You really needed this to follow the design, and even then sometimes I got lost and I had to stop and go, okay, where am I at? Because this was not easy to do at all. This, a lot of freedom with the string wherever you want to go. This doesn't have as much freedom. That is our sign. Oh my gosh. And I know you guys are seeing it backwards. But here is our sign. It says joy, and I am really glad this is all done. This was not as easy as I thought this was gonna be. It can be frustrating at times because things come undone, unravel easy. You're just going every which way on these, and then this was really hard because it would come unraveled, and of course I missed a little piece right there. But I mean, overall it looks really good, and it's great for the holidays. Definitely string art is a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be, but at the same time I did enjoy doing it and I would do it again. As you can see, my joy sign is all hung up, and I added a couple hooks. That way I can hang my stockings, and I will be sewing some stockings next week because I want some brand new stockings for my 2 boys. If you enjoyed this video, comment below, like, share, and I hope you subscribe for next week, because next week we are doing the stockings for the sign, and it will be really fun, so don't miss out on that. Alright, bye!